Dear traders, in this video I'm going to tell you about the most suitable and easiest scalping plus day trading strategy that can not only be used for the forex but also for crypto and stock market. But before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I'm using for my trading, that is Exness. If you want to open your account with them, you will get the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus they give you maximum profit for your each trading. So if you are interested to open your account with Exness, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here we are going to have one indicator, that is follow line indicator by Dreadblades. 4,757 traders are using this indicator. We have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Close from here. Now we will discuss that where we have to enter into the buy signal and where we have to enter for the sell signal. First of all, if we talk about the bearish signal, we have to we will wait for the red color label signal from the indicator, as you can see here. Then we have to see that our blue color line has been changed into the red color line. Our market trend should be below towards down, and one more thing that you have to see is that your market trend should be below this red color line. If all three conditions are met, you are into the bearish trend and you have to take the trade for the sell signal. Conversely, if we see this blue color label is appeared for our sell signal for our bullish trend, this green color candle is appeared here, which is finished here, and the new candle is appeared above this blue color line. Now our market is appearing above this blue color line, so we are confirmed that we are in a bullish trend, so we can take the trade for the buy signal. So this strategy, if we check in any other chart, for example in AUDJPY, as you can see from here, this signal is appeared for buy signal, and this candle is appeared above the blue color line, and here this full signal is appeared, full green color candle is appeared on this blue color line. Now we have to wait for market to move above this blue color line, so we are entered into a bullish trend and we can take the trade for our buy signal. And you can see from here till here we have taken the maximum profit for buy signal. Conversely, if we see for the sell signal, we can take this one signal as a bearish signal, and we will see that our blue color line has been changed into the red color line, and our market is also moving below this red color line, so we are confirmed that we are in a bearish trend and we can take the trade of our sell signal. As you can see here in this candle, as the time frame is set on 15 minutes, if we change it from 15 to 1 minute chart, and we can see that our candle is now it is taking the position as a buy signal, but we have to wait for this blue color label and for the blue color line. So until we do not get this blue color candle, until that point, we will not take the trade for the buy or sell signal. Here it is the red color label, so we are in a sell signal or bearish signal. We have to wait for that. So this is a very powerful, very simple strategy that can be used for scalping as well as for the day trading. Do use it for your own trading, and if you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Good luck for your trading. Bye bye. See you in next